Hello everyone, here we are taking some paper cutouts for our grass and some peanut or pista shells for our beautiful flowers. Let's move ahead to our next art. Here we've taken this black paper for our penguins and you can see they are looking so cute. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken some parts of paper, cut down and making a crab with it. Here we are using green paper and then we are highlighting the body parts of the crab with black pen. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken some purple and white paper and a cute teddy bear is ready. Let's move ahead. Here you can take any plastic bottle covered with this ice cream sticks and some rubber bands and then you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made some figures using green paper and then you can see we are making a frog face, completing our frog by pasting it on this sheet. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking a paper. You can take any type of paper, folding it from the front and from the back till you get this beautiful footwear is ready. You can see the cavity in there. They look so beautiful. Thanks for watching.